The truth about DIY is that you're never really doing it all by yourself. And secrets out, I've always had a really huge helper with all of my projects. Wondering who that is? Let's get into it. So here's the room that I will be tackling, my old laundry room. When I first start a project, I always like to start picking out my large items first, and I always like to start with something bold. My favorite thing about the Home Depot website is that you can add all of your products to a list so that you can go back at any time and see all of the selections that you picked for that particular project. This helps me stay organized for ordering. Once all of my big items are ordered and delivered to the house, shout out to free shipping, then I can start my project. Here you can see I'm just laying this beautiful tile that I found on the Home Depot website. They have so many amazing selections when it comes to tile and really just all kinds of different products that you may need to make your project a success. For smaller items that I may need for things like tile spacers or tools, I always like to go into my local Home Depot and I always use the product locator in the Home Depot app to locate exactly where all of my items are. If you're a beginner, you may be wondering, how in the world do I know how to do all of this stuff? Well, the good thing is Home Depot has tons of how-to tutorials that can help you figure out how to get your projects done. Good example, they have a great how-to on how to hang wall cabinets that was a great refresher for me on this project. This is why Home Depot has always been a trusted partner of mine. Not only can you find some awesome selections like this fun wallpaper, but I'm also able to get all of the materials that I need to get the job done. I love utilizing their free shipping so that I'm able to get all the products to my house, which helps a lot because a lot of times I'm on my own. And then also they have so many cool tools like the product locator and the product visualizer that helps me so much along the project journey. Another great example is this hardware jig. I knew that I had to install some cabinet hardware, so I was able to purchase a cabinet hardware jig right from the website and get free shipping. It comes right to my door and I was able to install my hardware, no problem. If y'all haven't used this jig, you're missing out. Whether you're painting an old door or hanging up cabinets, the options are endless to what Home Depot can provide for you. If you're tackling a project, make sure you check out Home Depot as your next partner.